Hello, everyone. And welcome to this second session of our Inspirational Thursday about engagement. The goal of this series of webinars is to help you to get a better overview of Qualifio features that can help you to meet your different objectives. I'm Charlotte Cornetti, Customer Success Manager at Qualifio. And today we will discuss about how the use of interactive content can help you to engage your community. So a few words before we start. First, if you have any questions during the presentation, you can send it through the chat, and we will try to answer them at the end of this presentation. And a little reminder, so after this session, you will of course receive all of the slides of the presentation with all the useful links and the resources we will go through today. So to begin with, I will start with the goldfish metaphor from Bruno Patino, who is the president of Arte Televisions. And in his book called The Goldfish Civilizations, he uses an image that we all have in mind. So that every time a goldfish turns in its fishbowl, it seems to rediscover its world. So Google engineers have indeed managed to calculate that the maximum duration of a goldfish attention is 8 seconds. And these same engineers have also evaluated the attention span of the millennial generation, the one that grew up with connected screens, and it's 9 seconds. So it's pretty much the same. And so Bruno Patino uses this image to show how our ultra-connected environment is impacting our behaviors. What we can understand from that is that when surfing on the web for 1 hour, we won't be able to sum up everything that we saw. And indeed, today, the consumer base is hyper-connected and overwhelmed. So people are seeing about 3,000 messages a day, out of which a person will remember an average of 4. So the rise of social media and the evolution of digital channels had made customers more connected than ever and spending way more time online. So in one hand, it's an advantage as it's easier to connect and reach out to them, but it also means that to engage with these hyper-connected and well-informed customers, brands need to think out of the box and are challenged to capture customers' attention. So therefore, they need to communicate with their audiences in meaningful ways. And how to do so? So engagement marketing appears as a response to this over-connected environment. When we speak about engagement marketing, we understand the use of strategic and resourceful content to engage people and create meaningful interactions over time. The goal is then to capture customers' attention by offering him a differentiating content that he will want to engage with. And indeed, the customer engagement leads to more sales, higher retention, and referrals. And it has been found that fully engaged customers are true ambassadors and are more loyal and profitable than average customers. So why should you use interactive content? With this kind of content and the use of gamification, you have the opportunity to create meaningful interactions with your community rather than just flashing ads in front of them. By reusing game-specific concepts such as point accumulation, reward, and level design, interactive content has proven to be an excellent strategy for capturing customers' attention. So the more original and fun your content is, the more satisfied your audience will be. And if the consumer is sufficiently stimulated, he will participate in your campaign and he will certainly share it with his relatives, which will make your content viral and improve your brand visibility. Through the creation of fun and original games, your reputation will benefit from a positive image, which means that customers and prospects will want to participate to your next campaign and will be more attentive to your future solicitations. Therefore, you give your audience a reason to come back and interact with you, which allows you to build audience loyalty. So along with the right goals, it's also important to have the right metrics in place and to help you measure success. And when it comes to the level of engagement of your campaign, you can rely on key performance indicators such as the time spent, the number of page views, the number of shares on social medias, and so on. According to a Gigia study in cooperation with partners like Pepsi, Nike, and Dell, gamifying your website boosts comments by 13%, social sharing by 22%, and it was also found a 100% to 150% increase in engagement metrics, including unique views, page views, and time spent. So to sum up, what you need to keep in mind for your future Qualifio campaigns are the four following points. First, you need to differentiate, be original. So the key to an excellent interactive marketing campaign is creativity to make your content fun and addictive. It's also this originality that will allow your brand to stay in mind of your audience and bring them back to your platforms. The second thing is to explore and combine different channels, such as digital ones like social media, website, and so on, but also think of linking your digital operations to real-life experiences. The third point is to think virality. So you need to ask yourself if your content is something worth to be shared, and when creating your campaign, you can also make use of virality step options, such as share incentives for Facebook or via email invitations, for instance, to improve the potential of virality of your campaign. And finally, you have to rely on frequency, which is a key to engagement. So the relationship with your audience should not end at the end of a quiz. You need to think about the possibility of engaging them in a long-term relationship and prepare in advance a campaign calendar to build consistent content. To do so, you can rely on international days, cultural events, holidays, etc. And you can, for that, have a look at our marketing calendar that lists lots of events during the year, and you will have the possibility to download it from here. So that's it for this first part. We'll now go more in details through 7 Qualifio features that you can use to increase engagement of your marketing campaigns. The first part will be about how to build a strong link with your communities by involving them in memorable events. Here we have an example from a Spanish basketball team who managed to allow engagement with its fans during the COVID period when the arenas were closed. And to do so, they offered their community the opportunity to take part in the building of a giant mosaic with their own pictures, to make them feel like they were present during the game to support their team. So with this operation, Basqueta Aleves engaged his community by offering them a real-life experience thanks to this digital campaign. So picture and video shared by user usually gets more comments and shares than any other branded content, because this kind of user-generated content is more trustworthy and authentic than any other content, which means that it leads to higher engagement. And the main benefit of this kind of content is that your fans take care of promoting your business. To do such operation within Qualifio, you can create photo, video, and writing content, and you can find the useful tutorials to help you get started with these features on this slide. In the same vein, we have another original idea that came from the Toulouse Football Club. By filling a simple form, their fans had the chance to participate to a prize draw to take part in a money can buy experience that they promoted on all of their social media channels. So the winner had the chance to win a jersey of the team and a free pizza delivered at home by the community managers of the Toulouse Football Club for a special evening where he got to watch with them the Toulouse vs Chambly game. And during this game, the winner took over control of the Twitter account of the club and was able to live tweet and comment the game. So this is another great example to keep a close link to your fans under these times of COVID. And with this very specific reward, it's also a good way to identify your most engaged customers. So thanks to Qualifio, you can publish the same campaign on several channels, so directly integrated in your website, on a dedicated mini site, but also on your social media. And you'll find here a tutorial on how to publish a campaign on Instagram, which is not so well-known features, but it's very, very easy to set up. The second thing to differentiate and stand out from the competition is to offer an original digital experience to your community. And thanks to Qualifio, you can vary your content types and track what works best with your audience, and then adapt your future campaigns accordingly. We have here an example of OCS, who launched the television network, who launched a campaign full of challenges, so including a memory, a swiper, a guess who, and a citations game to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the series Game of Thrones. All of these interactions were accessible through a landing page that was matching with the Game of Thrones codes and environment to reproduce the show ambience. To realize the Guess Who game, they built it with a classic quiz where they had a blurred image as a hint. And with this campaign, OCS bets on attractivity by challenging their community on their Game of Thrones knowledge. And with gamification, they increase the potential of engagement of this campaign thanks to these original mini games that will easily stay in people's mind. This is also a great campaign to increase traffic, as all games needs for the users to spend a lot of time on their websites. And as this campaign was only available for their subscribers, it was also a smart way to reward their most loyal customers. To the tutorials to create a landing page and a Guess Who game, I've also added a useful blog article where you can find original examples of interactions that you can create out of the quiz format, such as the shell game, a blind test, a hidden object, and many others. So I invite you to have a look at this article. To follow with creative and differentiating inspiration, I also really like this example created thanks to a chrono quiz. So the idea here is to recreate an escape game where you have to solve enigmas to go from one room to another to find the exit and escape. And thanks to the instant answer check, which is a question type in a quiz, you can easily recreate an interactive quiz questions that evaluate the answers instantly. And it makes it easy to provide participants with the opportunity to redo the question several times, as they can try it and try to guess an unlimited number of times. So the big benefit of a quiz lies in its addictive nature and in its potential for boosting your engagement rate. And with the instant answer check, you can boost this potential and make it stand out by differentiating from very classic quizzes that we are used to see online. And I also invite you here to have a look at our blog article that will provide you with several examples of campaigns that you can create with this question type. To finish with the original creative part to differentiate when creating your campaign, I also wanted to show you a few other Studio Premium games that are more custom and animated games that are available through our Studio service. These mechanics can be really useful for special operations and sponsor campaigns, for example, as they have a high potential of virality and have very good results in terms of volume of participation. So the first example we have here is a catcher created by UGC France, so the cinemas network, for the occasion of Easter. So they use this special time of the year to launch a campaign to reward the members of their loyalty program. And the participant had 30 seconds to collect as many loyalty points as possible and could then register for the prize draw. And the winner was then drawn among the best scores. Our second example is a runner created by AS Monaco, which was published on their social media and on a dedicated mini-site. So for the festive period, the French football club challenged its users to catch as many balls as possible and to avoid the obstacles. The participant has to do their best for a chance to win exclusive Christmas gifts each week. And the club was also, with this campaign, giving great visibility to its sponsors, thanks to their logos displayed in the runner background, such as on a real football field. Another good strategy when it comes to engaging your customers is a really simple one, but an efficient one. Is to ask them questions and therefore give voice to your community. So no matter the business, polls and surveys are always a great way to know your audience's opinions and preferences and gather valuable information that you can after reuse. Here we have an example from UGC, but Belgium this time. So to get ready for the reopening of their cinemas, they decided to launch a poll: which movie are you looking forward to watch this summer? And the idea behind this action was to know its customers' preferences, to show that their opinion matters, and be able to accordingly adapt its program. So thanks to this campaign, participants had the chance to see their favorite films selected for the reopening of cinemas, and also the chance to win cinema tickets. So it's a great way to maintain a link with their audience while the cinema were closed, and to engage with them to prepare for the reopening. For this poll, they chose the Swiper format, which is a really good choice as it's mobile friendly and more interactive than a classic poll. So this is a good recipe for a campaign to go viral and be easily shared on social media. And with this Swiper format, you can also add graphics of results in your exit screen so that your participant can find out others' opinion. And you can find all of the details in the following tutorial. Next, one good measure of the level of engagement, we said it's the number of shares of your campaign. And by using the virality step options in your campaign creation, you can increase the potential of virality of this campaign. Here we have a good example on how you can make use of Facebook share incentives and its results. So this is an example from Oscaro. So it's a Easter egg hunt that they launched. So they used a hidden object game created out of a quiz to create to reproduce a digital egg hunt. So once the participant had found the egg, he had to fill a form to participate to the prize draw. And what's interesting about this campaign is that Oscaro implemented a Facebook share incentive for it to go viral. And by sharing the campaign on Facebook, the participant had an extra chance to be selected for the prize draw. The results were then over 2K Facebook shares, more than 12K participations, and more than 50K page views. So the first thing to do is to make your campaign easy to share by displaying social media networks buttons, such as Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, and so on. And you can also customize the texts and images that will appear when your campaign is shared to maximize its impact. Then you can encourage your visitors to invite their friends to participate in your campaign. And to that end, various incentive mechanisms exist in Qualifio, which automatically reward your ambassadors with a gift or an additional opportunity to participate. So the seventh and last Qualifio features I wanted to talk about is the Advent calendar. So while it's called the Advent calendar, it can also be used for any occasion during the year, such as a summer mini games calendar, an exhibition calendar listing special events during a given period of time, and so on. And it can also be used as a way to spotlight a special event, such as this Olympics game calendar, which offers over 16 interactive experiences to leverage from this event. So behind each door of your calendar, which represents an Olympic discipline, the user can test his knowledge and participate in several engaging mini games. On the screen, what you see is an example of a Rebus campaign behind the football door. So we were talking earlier about the importance of organizing regular campaigns in order to maintain a long-lasting relationship with your community. And with the Advent calendar, you can easily build a special operation to engage your audience and invite them to come back on a regular basis, as each day of your calendar can be a contest, a game, a redirection to an article, a special offer on your website, and everything that you can think about. I'm now done with my examples. And so if you want more tips to improve your engagement, and you can have a look at our ebook that you can download from here. And you will see that we have also a poll now that will ask you which feature you think is the most valuable to you. So don't hesitate to take part and let us know what you think. I will just let you a few seconds more to take part in the poll. Yeah. You can see that mostly the calendar is the most useful feature for you. And we have also the games to create out of a quiz that you found useful. So thank you for your opinion. I will now close the vote. One last thing before we go through the question part. Sorry. So when you are creating campaigns with Qualifio, if you're not sure on how to use a feature or what feature can best match something you're trying to achieve, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our help desk via the help tab within Qualifio. And if you wish to plan a training session or an inspiration one for a specific event, for instance, you can ask help from your CSM. And it's the same if you want to ask our studios, if you wish to create a premium game, you can ask, you can please get in touch with your CSM. So thank you all for joining this webinar today. Please, you will now have a poll to ask your feedback and how useful was this webinar for you. Please let us know what you think, and then we will go to the question and answer part. I don't know if we already have questions in the chat.
No questions in the chat, no.
Okay. If you have any question, don't hesitate. We have now 3 minutes left. And of course, at the end of this webinar, if you want to see, if you want to have more information, please get in touch with your CSM.
If we have,
yes, sorry.
No, if we don't have any further questions, maybe.
Yes. I will now close this webinar, and thank you all for taking part. And you can also, you will be able soon to take part in our next webinar that will happen in 2 months.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.